makadi reZimbabwe. Nhasi ndine nhau ye-ex-wife ya president kana vice president retired general Constantino Chiwenga, Mary Mubaiwa. Iyi inova ndiyo koti yake yekutanga kuenda mushure mekunge abviswa kana kuti adamburwa ruoko rwake rwekuright iro ranga rakadyiwa kana kuti rakazvimba nekuda kwekenza. Seeing the video while she strode into the court aided by an identified man, Mary Mubaiwa, the former wife of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, appeared in court a month after she had her right hand amputated at a private hospital in Harare following the recommendation by doctors who feared for her life. The now armless Mubaiwa has been hailed as a fighter after all the struggle she endured in and out of court and hospital respectively. Her appeal to get treated abroad was in vain as the courts refused to release her passport, which was taken as a part of the bail condition in the cocktail of charges she is facing. So as you watch the video, Mary Mubaiwa was in April this year convicted and sentenced for violating the Marriage Act following allegation she lied that Chiwenga had constantly solemnized their wedding at a time he was in hospital in India 2019. So my name is Idek. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like this video. Thank you for watching.